Wonder if Hannah had a bad day today. I think I had a bad day.
Get on my YouTube. No one subscribed. Internet disconnecting. What the heck? Hate the freaking internet.
What about your blog?
My computer just broke. Are you videotaping this?